Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I am going to introduce you a very useful and completely free AI tool, especially for students, researchers, PhD scholars and academic writers. If you are struggling with research writing, literature review, data analysis or understanding papers, then this video is going to be very helpful for you. The name of this AI tool is Bohrium AI. This is a free AI powered platform designed for scientific research and academic writing. It is also not like normal AI tools that only write journal text. Bohrium is specially built for research work. It helps you read research papers, understand complex concepts, improve academic writing, organize research ideas, and save a lot of time. That's why it is becoming very popular among researchers. Now, there is a question. There are too many tools for AI and research writing. Why we are discussing about Bohrium? Because many AI tools are good for general writing, but research writing is different. In research, we need accurate language, academic tone, logic structure, proper explanation of concepts. Bohrium focuses exactly on these needs. It supports scientific thinking, not just content generation. Now, let me explain what you can actually do with Bohrium step by step. Now, let me explain what you can actually do with Bohrium step by step. Bohrium helps you to write research papers, thesis chapters, methodology sections, literature review, and academic explanation. You can give it your idea and it helps you express it in proper academic language. Very useful for non-native English speakers. Just like I will show you. We are going to write something in this one bar. Effect of imports on a country economy needs literature review chapter on it. Did you see? It's just taking some time to answer your question. Did you see this? One of the hardest part of research is reading and understanding papers. With Bohrium, you can summarize research articles, understand key arguments, identify important findings, and compare different studies with each other. Because if we have the literature review in a paragraph, the effect of imports, blah blah blah. We also have the citation and we have the citations reference. It's too accurate for our research. If we are doing this, another AI tool like ChatGPT, DeepSeek, or any other, we didn't have the exact paper we didn't have. They just give us a paragraph without any specific relevant reference. But Boreum gave us the specific references with every moment or with every paragraph. Means, can you please search? There is one, two, three, and there is also have. In every paragraph, we have a reference. So, the Boreum is a specific and good research writing tool. In the scholars area, it's also help us to make a good research gap. Means we can write something here. So we wrote something here. Impact of imports on developing countries need a research gap in light of Pakistan. Means we are going to search something on Pakistan. Sorry, we just need to go the new chat and write here. I just paste here from there to here, and now I'm waiting for this. Now from first to end. We can discuss about it. In the first area, we have some introduction about imports in developing countries like Pakistan. They give us some studies with references, and at the end of the paragraph, they give us the research gap. Overall, the while macro level implications of imports on Pakistan economy are evident in its persistent trade deficit and policy challenges. A more detailed understanding at the firm and sectoral level, particularly concerning the interaction between the sorry, composition, technological investment, local industrial capacity, and regulatory framework mean institutional quality remains a significant area for future research. This is the research gap. And you also need to know something about that. If you are working on any AI tool, you do not need to blindly trust on it, because in the last sentence we need to change something. So if we are writing something with the help of AI, with any AI software, we need to always work with open eyes, because AI just give us some specific information. We need to convert this information in our own words. If you are confused about research topic, research gap, variables, hypothesis, Bohem can help you organize your throughout and refine your direction even. It's give you. It gives you. It doesn't replace your thinking, but it guides your thinking always. For students who struggled with methodology explanation, research design, technical concepts, Bohrium explains things in a simple and academic way, which is great for learning. And the best and basic part of is using Bohrium software. It's a free and research oriented platform. The best part is it is free, it is research focused, it is designed for scientific communities. That's why it is very helpful for students who cannot afford paid AI tools. I again want to say one important thing here. Bohrium is spotted tool, not a shortcut. You should use it to understand, use it to improve language, use it to organize ideas, but never copy blindly. Never copy blindly. Your thinking, your analysis, and your learning are still the most important part. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe the channel and share it with your classmates and research friends. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next class. Bye bye.